Hi, this is Chuck Fry from U.Genius with a thought-provoking nugget to help you think more creatively, expand your possibilities, and accelerate your success in 2 minutes or less. Did you know that your smartphone can also be an incredibly powerful brainstorming tool? Here are 6 ways to use it as a creative companion. First, download brainstorming apps to your phone and use them as catalysts to get your brain thinking in fresh directions. Apps I recommend include the Whack Pack, Idea Generator, O-Flow, and BrainSparker. 2. Shoot pictures of inspiring objects. Go on a walking creative excursion with your smartphone. And when you see something that looks promising, take a picture. Then ask yourself, how does this connect with my problem or challenge? You may be surprised at the creative associations your mind generates. 3. Record audio of your ideas. Most smartphones enable you to do this. Try doing some free thinking, capturing your extended thoughts out loud. You can transcribe them and extract the promising ideas later. 4. Dictate your ideas into Evernote or another note-taking application. This is a technique that I use all the time. I love the ability to start an idea in Evernote and continue to expand it on my laptop and other devices when I have time. 5. Store a database of creative questions on your smartphone. Creative questions force us to think in different non-habitual ways, and that makes them powerful creative catalysts. Use a note-taking app to build your own library of inspiring questions. 6. Purchase the Kindle versions of popular creative problem-solving books, so you have them with you on your smartphone. Examples include Thinker Toys from Michael McAlco and 5-Star Mind from Tom Wujek. This will give you fingertip access to dozens of creative thinking and problem-solving techniques, no matter where you are. Have fun using your smartphone to take your creative thinking and problem solving to the next level.